Hi everyone, thanks for joining, and this is your girl braids by Camellies. And in today's video, what we want to do is to maintain this beautiful long dreads. Before now, what I've done is to wash this dreads. We did a detox clean, and I have a video on that. The link is in the description box below. You could go through that video. Is really explanatory, and it will show you how to get all the build-ups in your dreads out. And after we had cleaned the dreads, what I want to do is to just get it a little bit dry. Now I'm using my dryer, but I'm using the fan feature, not the heat feature. I just want to get some of the wetness out. I want the hair to be damp. So once I get the level of moisture I want, I'll start working on the dreads. So I don't want it to be dry and I don't want it to be wet. So somewhere in between. And I'll be using the crochet hook, the big crochet hook, and also the 0.75 millimeter crochet hook. I'll leave the tools details in the description box below. Also, I need to tell you the product I'm using, and this product is like wow. It's the Peculiar Root Lux Pomade, and it's so beautiful. It smells so nice. It's a black owned line, and it has no chemicals in it, all natural, and is very good to maintain your dreads. And so I'll leave the link in the description box below in case you want to purchase it. And I also have a coupon code for 15% off your purchase. Okay, so I'm using my crochet hook, and I like to do the 180 degree and the 90 degree method, meaning I'm kind of creating a kind of cross in your hair. That way it's going to be so tight and the flyaways will be little. And then once I'm done using the big crochet hook, I'll then pick the tiny crochet hook to lock in the little flyaways. So just watch and you see that this is a very easy and simple method. Thank you. So what I've done here is to zoom in so that you see exactly what I'm doing and what I meant by the 90 and 180 degrees method. And so I'll go straight up, pull through, then I'll go across and then pull through. So that is all I do. Straight up, pull through, across, pull through. But you want to end it with a straight up so that the dreads will fall flat, like in the downwards position. Do you get it? Like the direction will be perfect. And then I'll go in with a tiny crochet hook to pull in all the flyaways, and that will make the dreads to be tighter and very neat. And once I'm done doing that, I will just do a palm roll to get it all secured. I'm sorry I'm breathing strange. I have a cold. Okay, so in this point, once I'm done with everything, I will use the Peculiar Root oil. It's a kind of hair growth oil, and it's really moisturizing. Like you think I'm actually applying water to your hair. Is that moisturizing? Then I'll apply that through the dreads, and then I'll just, massage her scalp. The feeling is so, so divine. Yeah, so once I'm done with that, they also have a dreads hair mousse, which I apply to the dreads also, and that has very lovely smell. And that is the end of the tutorial. In case you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and kindly hit the notification bell, so that you'll be the first to know once I have a new video. Let me tell you something, I have a lot of videos coming up, like I have them lined up. And please, thank you for watching once again, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.